갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어.
Bus na.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? Sa mga mahilig kumain ng itlog dyan. Good news po sa inyong lahat kasi ito po ang tungkol sa itlog ngayon. Wow! Hi everyone! Kumusta po kayong lahat? Today, let's talk about eggs. Alam niyo po ba na ang itlog ay napakasustansyang pagkain? Because eggs contains of so many vitamins like vitamin A, B, B12, B6. And eggs contains of calories, proteins, healthy fats, folic acids, calcium, zinc, and phosphorus. Maalala ko nga po yung kanta namin nung kami po'y bata pa. Mayroon pong kanta na hindi ko po makalimutan. Araw-araw po namin itong kinakanta. Sabi po ng kanta Bilog-bilog itlog, masustansya at malusog dahil sa protina, katumpas ay baka. Yan po ang kanta namin noon at totoo nga po na napakasustansya ng itlog. At noon pong paniniwala ko po na kapag tayo po'y kumakain ng itlog araw-araw, nakapagbibigay po ito ng heart attack, nakapagbigay ng high blood pressure o bad cholesterol. But according to Healthline, they said eggs don't increase the rate of heart disease because the egg yolk helps to generate testosterone, hormones, estrogen, and cortisol. Magbibigay po ako ng 5 benefits po ng eggs. Number 1, eggs can make you full and make you lose weight. Kasi ito po yung ginagamit po ng mga nagda-diet po na mga tao. Kinakain po nila ang itlog bilang diet po nila. Number 2, eggs improve eye health because egg yolk contains lutein, reduce cataract. According to Nutrition Council, eggs can protect your eyes. Eggs is loaded with vitamin A which protect cornea. Number 3 benefits, eggs can make your bones healthy. Ngayon ko lang alam to. The study of Department of Food and Technology suggests that egg yolk improve metabolism and prevent the risk of osteoporosis. Napakaganda po ito sa mga nagkakaroon na po ng edad, kumain po ng itlog. It contains of vitamin D to protect bones. Number 4, eggs can prevent iron deficiency. Low in iron is equally lead to low red blood cells because iron produce hemoglobin to produce red blood cells. Number 5, last but not least, eggs can help brain development. Nung bata pa yung aking anak, paborito niya po itlog. Halos araw-araw po itlog po ang gusto niyang kainin. Either nilaga po or pritong itlog. And egg also helps prevent breast cancer according to a study. And there are different types of eggs po. Meron pong brown, merong white, but all of them have the same nutritional value. So some of these eggs are conventional eggs, yung nakikita po sa supermarket, organic eggs, matured egg, and omega-3 enriched eggs. So there is no harm if you eat 3 eggs a day. According to health authorities, sabi po nila, 6 to 7 eggs a week is safe and healthy to eat. So huwag po tayong matakot kumain po ng itlog araw-araw kasi napakasustansya po ng itlog. Sana po nakatulong po ang itlog na ito sa kunti po nating kaalaman. Noon po ay ayaw ko rin kumain ng itlog araw-araw kasi sabi po nila nakaka-high blood po at masama sa puso. Pero hindi rin po pala. So I hope that this video will not scramble the idea about eggs. So now po, you know the excellent facts about eggs. I hope that this video give you a simple facts about eggs. Please don't forget to like and subscribe again my channel. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig ninyo. Thank you so much for listening.